Your top story tonight at 10 o'clock. Republican lawmakers have come to an agreement on proposed income tax cuts for this legislative session. Our Dana Searles joins us now live in the studio to break down these cuts and what they all may look like. Dana.
Yeah, Chanu. Well, this bill would accelerate lowering the flat income tax rate starting the first of the year. The current tax rate is 5.7%, but Republican lawmakers have proposed a bill that would lower that by almost 2%. A law Reynolds signed 2 years ago had income tax cuts going to just under 4% by 2026. This new plan speeds it up and makes it 3.8% by 2025.
Ultimately, we all want to get some more money back to taxpayers. And with this proposal right here, we still keep a lot of those monies in the balance, and that way it still gives us the opportunity to come back next year and the year after to cut more taxes and think more of a long-term view of how we want to use it.
Senator Dawson says this acceleration will return an additional $1 billion back to taxpayers.
Part of our initial goal is to find a way to grow some of those monies in the taxpayer relief fund. And with this plan right here, it preserves a lot of those monies so we still have that option to come back next year.
The main goal Republican lawmakers had for this was to lay the foundation for a long-term plan in order to take the next step towards their goal of decreasing the flat tax rate to zero.
But the reality is we knew we could make a decision right now, at least get some of those monies back, still having enough cushion to fund all our priorities in state budget, and still come back next year and figure out more creative ways in how we can lower that rate further for Iowans.
Governor Reynolds said in a statement that she is pleased the Senate has introduced this tax cut, calling it a common sense compromise for Iowans. Chanu.